ever try to do is help you understand and grow. Like the way for truths that if not for me simply wouldn't show. Lest you get somebody else who's on my level, but you know that there's no one on my level. You gon' realize if you don't. I wish you would own up to your flaws and just say that you're wrong when you're wrong. Instead of acting like you're right, then it turns into a fight. Now you storming out my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to